Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be teaching you how to properly store away your Bosch angle grinder. So when you buy the GWS 700, it comes packed in a cardboard box, but all we know with the cardboard boxes is that they'll start to come apart like this. Currently I'm using it to store the discs and some of my art material, but I know it will not last very long. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you about today. And just to show you a different Bosch product, this is my drill. So this one, at least it came packed in a plastic box. So this is more durable, and at least after I have packed it like that, I can store it away safely. So what we are going to be needing today is a wall plug, a plastic wall plug that is pictured on your screen, self-tapping screw, and of course your angle grinder. So the first thing you do is you have to take good care of your electric cord. You see, in the first few months of owning this tool, I have not been taking care of it, but right now I'm learning. That's why I'm sharing this with you. So what you do is that hold your angle grinder with one hand, and then you're going to do a loop of that cable, and then with the other longer cable you're going to wind it down around your tool like so, and then just before you are done with the cord, you're going to insert your key and the top plug. Remember, I'm also going to do a tutorial on how you can attach this so that it doesn't get lost. Once you've done that, then you're going to pull this cord like so that it's tucked in, and then we're going to use this to hang. So let's go and install the wall plug and the screw. All right, so once you have identified where you want to install your angle grinder on your studio, come with your drill a hole on the wall. You are going to take your plastic plug, hammer it in, and then we are going to install our screw that we are going to be using to hang our angle grinder. With the tied angle grinder, you just come and hang it in place. And once you've done that, now you have a place where you can safely install your angle grinder amongst other tools of the studio. And this will limit the damage, to limit even it getting moisture or water or any damage to it. So guys, my hope is that you learned something new today with the video that I've done. And if you did, please leave a like. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, share with your friends, and I am ever so grateful for your continued support. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.